IDEA, or the Individuals with Disability Act, was a law that was enacted by Congress in 1975 to ensure that children with disabilities have the opportunity to receive free and public education. The purpose of IDEA was to make sure that students with disabilities were given the tools they needed to be successful without any cost to them or their families. This means that any student with a disability is given the tools they need to succeed. For instance, if a child is deaf, they might have a hearing device that helps them succeed in the classroom. Or if a student is blind, they might receive instructional material in Braille. This could also look like getting students with ADHD special chairs or seating arrangements in order for them to be more successful in a classroom environment. I think my personal response to IDEA, based on everything that I've learned so far about it, is just wanting to be a better, more effective teacher to these kinds of students who have exceptionalities. And so the first thing I want to focus on is just seeing students holistically, and so seeing them for who they are as an entire individual, not just who they are in my English class, and being able to kind of craft my instruction to that student holistically, and then just being aware of student needs and being able to respond to those. And so investigating the needs of my students and then finding answers on how to meet them in my classroom. And if I don't know how to do that, then seeking out the help of others in order to make that possible and to meet those needs. And then lastly, just valuing the individual, and I think valuing inclusion and diversity in my classroom, and kind of just showing students that, everyone has something special to offer, whether it's a student who has special needs or just a normal student, and just being able to celebrate each other for what we do and what we are gifted in. And I think that's something that's really impactful in the classroom.